Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What did the kids say after eating a frozen pizza? That wasn't very thought out. Why was the famous pizza annoyed? It was followed by the paparazzi. What did the pepperoni say to the cheese? Slice to meet you. I ordered a goat's cheese pizza yesterday. He was not happy. What's a pizza's favorite movie? Pie Hard. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to see what kind of weirdness we come up with.